Imagine a geneticist who's made a discovery that could lead to early cancer detection. Her findings could save lives, but she needs to share them today with researchers at the National Cancer Institute. How can she get FaceTime with the powers that be? At the National Cancer Institute at Riverside Research Park, NCI for short, it will be as easy as walking across the quad. NCI's Advanced Technology Partnerships Initiative in Frederick will harness the power of collaboration. Upon completion in 2011, it will be one of the nation's premier biomedical research and development centers. NCI will accelerate a cure through partnerships, and this is nothing short of revolutionary. NCI will share its 177-acre site with research institutions and life science companies collaborating on a cure. NCI had its pick of locales, but Frederick, the second largest bioscience cluster in the state, topped the list. NCI, currently on Fort Detrick, enjoys partnerships with local industry and benefits from the educated labor force. City and county learned of the project and formed a dynamic partnership to secure the site. The city accelerated the $60 million construction of a major roadway, providing direct access to the park from I-70 and fast-tracked development review and permitting. The city and county also teamed up on a $70 million interchange to enhance safety and access. They resourcefully applied for and received a BRAC zone designation, allowing for infrastructure funding and private industry incentives. The impact of NCI at Riverside, like the research itself, is transformative. The project will yield an astonishing $2.375 million in annual property tax revenues. The facility will cost $250 million to build and will yield 300 local jobs. For every $1 spent on the project, the Frederick County economy will grow by $1.50. When the facility is complete, it will house 570 employees, 250 of which will be new hires, living locally and supporting the economy. Collaboration is a formula for success in the lab and in the realm of economic development. For its compelling impact on the city and county of Frederick, we recognize NCI at Riverside with a MEDA Economic Development Project Award.